Hello everybody. Today we are going to make a small batch of the barrier repair sticks just to show you what's in them. It's very simple, just 8 ingredients, no fillers, no crazy stuff. 9 ingredients with the fragrance, but today we're making unscented. So we have a nice wax. This is organic beeswax. Hold for ASMR pouring. Very nice. Then we balance that with a Sarah Bellina wax. It makes it really nice and satiny and silky. Just a little bit. Then we have mango and cocoa butter that give you a good dose of hydration while giving structure to the bar. And then our oils. We've got olive, jojoba, and castor oil, and a little bit of vitamin E for that antioxidant. And then that just goes to melt. If I have time, I do a double boiler. Today, I think we're going to do a microwave. So hold, please. Okay, back from the microwave. We have to get that up to a high enough temperature for the waxes to melt in there. Do not get hot wax and oil on yourself. It's no fun. But once that's clear and melted and lovely, it goes straight into, ooh, that's hot. Goes straight into our tubes. Measure and make sure everything is 2 ounces. And these sticks are going to lock in your moisture. If your hands are dry all the time and you put on lotion and it's dry again in 10 minutes, that's because you're not locking in the moisture. You've got to seal that in. And that's what these sticks are good for. Very careful. And we just continue that process. And yes, this is how I make everything. Small batches. So they stay fresh by hand. So I can control the quality. Once those sticks are done, they're going to be nice and firm like this. Throw them in your purse. Moms, throw them in a diaper bag. They're not going to melt. They're not going to make a mess. And it's going to lock in that moisture for hours. And this stick is going to last you a long time.